Anyways, today we're playing Airplane 2. Animals already back there.
Where?
Right there.
I'm like here.
I know, I see you. Your name is Passenger.
Alright,
Everyone chatting. Please find the seat that has a golden label with your name on it, as we are about to cross an area of high. Stand up. Stand up.
No!
Oh, sorry. I didn't know. I'm about to fall off too.
I'm going
I died. I died. Because the boy pushed me off. Okay, I'm about to press the button. Okay, don't jump off this time. I just wanted to see what I was going to do. Where are you? Are you in the other person's body? Oh, you in one already. It's only the boy sitting out. Except for you, Amor. See, look, Amor.
It's nothing right there.
But it's on my phone. Okay, where do I sit?
Nope.
I don't sit in a. Well, you sit in the same place. I sit all the way in the back. Shut up, Amor. You
I
sit
sit the
right
same seat where I'm supposed to sit.
back. I know. No, you sit in the same seat like the last plane trip. So,
But you sitting all the way in the back.
it's like that's not my seat. Oh.
You're gonna die.
No!
This boy better find his seat before.
His seat is right in front of me. Oh, no, that's not. Where's his seat? He's going to die.
I know. Where's your seat, boy?
Find your seat.
Oh,
Thank
found
you,
his
God. Because I'm not trying to. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to you to 991 Presidential Aircraft.
991?
You heard right. The president would like to celebrate presidency with you guys. You saved their airplane last time. It's like, no, I did not save an airplane. I killed everybody. I crashed the airplane. How the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day, and that is the reason we are here. No. You got the
I'm gonna
job.
make the dinner.
What? No, you're not.
Yes, I'm
Make me do it. I want to do it.
No.
All right, enough. Please find seat that has a golden label with your name on it, as we are about to cross an era of
11,
of
12,
high.
10, 9, 8,
I don't know what that
7,
word says.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Amor, this is gonna be so
0.
scary.
Whoa! We strong! Whoa!
Daddy was right there too.
The boy got out of the seat.
I know. He said, "Did we just do a barrel roll? Thank you for your comprehension." I think that's what she said.
The couple. Loco, get off my head! You fat look like a monkey. Get off my head! Get off my head! Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it.
What?
That's it.
How you missed?
You up. I'm beating you up. Marco, come here. I'm gonna make them again.
Amor, you said did it. What? See what? See what? See what? What did you see, Amor?
Nothing.
Welcome to the presidential era. airplane.
Ooh, there's a bathroom. Excuse
Congratulations for. I need to use the bathroom, so.
me. Excuse me.
Congratulations. Follow me to the next room.
Excuse me.
Follow me to the
I'm
next
a
room.
lady. You hear? I'm a lady. Excuse me. Dang.
Ooh, water. Nobody step on the water. Okay? Cause somebody's gonna die. Cause the president gonna be mad. Stop it, you stupid. He tried to mess over the water. I'm gonna get away from the water.
But
No, that water.
the water on the
Stay
table?
away, yes. Cause he's gonna get madder. Stay away. Stay away from it, Amal. Don't get on by the water.
Okay, I'm gonna make that. Oh, this is the president one. Wait, it has a note here. Moko, what
Don't touch it. Don't touch the water.
I did
Don't
not.
touch it.
Why you
Cause
keep
he
on...
trying to make you die.
So can I get on your head?
Okay, just touch
So
the
can I
water
get on your
now.
head?
He
So-
wants you to touch the water. No, don't touch it. I'm scared. You might die. Okay, just touch the water more. He said get a glass of water. He said, why don't you guys grab a glass of water while we wait? Okay, I'm grabbing a glass of water.
Oh.
Or more. Look at this mess. We'll come to the bathroom and get this. Get the mop. Please find something to clean this mess. Or else we will have to lock. Come on, get it. You got it in your inventory. I cleaned it all up.
Clean.
Good job you was not going to die more. Because if we didn't clean it up fast, you would
Pick
have
up
died.
the cups.
We can't. Amor, because if we didn't clean it up in time, you die. If you will die, Amor, if you didn't clean it up in time.
Okay, it's dinner time. I'm gonna make the food.
No, make me make the food.
No, I'm making the food.
No. I want to make the food. Please.
Hurry,
You don't know how to make the food.
Yes, I will.
Wait, what? Did you just say build the brick wall? And why are you pink? Did you get a sunburn? Oh, that's Donald Trump. He made his name Ronald, but he took away the D and put an R right there. So it's Donald.
Like McDonald.
His name is really his name is really Donald Trump, not Ronald Trump.
Okay, when are we gonna make the food?
I want to make.
What's that? It's in your mobile room.
We will take care of him, Mr. President. That's not. What? He has to make the food. He has to make the food because he's a boy. Stop it. He's gonna mess it up for everybody.
Shut up, Mommy.
No! I hate him. No! Let's see him make food. This bad person. I wanted to make the food.
Me.
He's gonna make the.
It's gonna be so the worst suit in the whole time.
Yes.
He's putting too much butter.
He's stupid. He's gonna make it.
He's gonna make it so.
And the man not even telling him what to do.
12.
Get the eggs. Get the eggs. You stupid.
He putting too much butter.
Why are you doing that? He doing too much.
11.
Ew, I don't want no butter suit. Ew.
6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
He's stupid. It's taking too long. I know. Take him out. He's dead. It's only us. Just like his stupid ass kid. Huh? Who made the food? That's what his stupid self get. I'm gonna sit by you, Oma. It's delicious.
Actually, he put it too much butter. So
No, they made it.
I should have made it.
Me too. He's a boy, so he was supposed to make it. This is vegetable soup. So, do y'all got some egg rolls? They don't got egg rolls.
What?
Wait, we ate the plate.
This food.
We ate the
We
plate.
should have ate this food.
Who ate all these? It was
Yeah.
probably you, Amor.
Nuh-uh.
And the president probably ate it. Or him. Please follow the path to the computer room. Come on, Amor. We gotta go to the computer room.
Okay.
Come on.
I got all woo.
Why?
Um,
It don't say your name on there no more. No. Okay, guys, we're gonna try to help this. We'll meet you afterwards.
No, I have to sit the same place I was at to sit.
Guys, we're back. Now, where do I... Oh my god!
What? Dang! You had to sit all the way in the back.
Am I same?
Freaking please.
And there's only 3 people now. And where did that other boy go? Oh, I see him. Oh, that's not fair. He get to be in my real seat. Well. Oh! I was sitting there. My name is Kelly. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 presidential aircraft. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved their airplane last time. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day. And that reason we are here. No, the reason is... Alright, enough chatting. Please find the seat with a golden label and with your name on it, as we are about to cross an area of high temperature. I think no, it's not temperature. Shut up. Did we just do a barrel roll? Come on, Amor.
I'll teach you a lesson to break my life, bro.
I want to see this flight quick.
And Amore's not playing. So nobody worry about her.
This is amazing. I'm never gonna get on my chair.
No, I'm
Think easy, simple. So what you have to do is after you think you've got
Here.
all the glass off the floor,
Just say, please find. Oh, hold it some more.
bottle of crazy glue and take all of these pieces carefully like a glove and put them all back together. And then when you're done, you'll be able to see there's tiny pieces missing. And then you'll know you didn't do your job good. Hashtag all the nice hats. You gotta do it.
Moko, you got out the seat?
Yes, I had to clean off the agent's hat. Because his hat was looking dirty. Like he is right now. No, he's going to be Amore. He's going to be the chef.
Who?
This ugly boy.
No!
Ugly. He's going to be an ugly boy.
No, I wanted to do it.
He looked like a Oopa Loopa.
I wanted to do it.
Me too. I know he's going to be a pick because he's a boy. You ugly. You ugly. This is not your airplane, because if it was your airplane, you would have been running it. If you're the president, that doesn't mean that doesn't mean you run this plane. The girl is running this plane. Oh no! Please say, please. Yes! I am cooking! I am cooking! Yes! I know I'm about to go in there, but Mr. President, I have never cooked before. Well, you better learn quick or else I'm throwing you out of this plane too. What? What did I ever do to you? No! Maya more.
Today we got
I'm in the kitchen. Okay, I'll tell me the ingredients.
Okay.
No, I'm talking to the man.
Is that look like Granny's house? There it is, guys. Granny's house, and then the set just ends right there.
If you got the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash can. But quick,
Straight into Granny's living room.
are you ready?
Purposeful flickering
Time
lights
to
in there.
cook.
They're definitely not just old and boxy bags. Here's our old carpet that we spilled the slime on.
The spoon needs salt. Where's the salt?
It's not into that one.
Hey, whoa, dude. Nice chair.
The soup needs tomato.
Tomato. The soup needs
The soup needs grapes.
grapes.
We had this guy watching the neighbor's house.
This is easy. The soup needs pepper.
Pepper. The black one. The black.
I know.
Here.
I was going to get it.
Jumped into Granny's.
The soup needs cabbage. What's cabbage?
He's kind of stuck.
Ah! Food is ready. I cooked before.
We now interrupt our behind-the-scenes video to rescue a frog. Called the artist who did the Granny's house and water baby. We need something that we can put the frog in.
I know it looks delicious, 'cause it is. Don't you think I know that, you stupid spoiler? This is delicious. Well, we have to put grapes in there. I gotta go to the bathroom. Why? Can't leave. I gotta go. Bye. Bathroom down. I can't believe I cooked. Make all the computers the same color, okay? Do the thing that was on the computer, okay? Welcome to the computer protect. Okay, I can't read this. It's glitching. Yellow. Turn all the computers yellow. All the computers yellow. We did it. Wait, how did President get in there?
I gotta go to the bathroom.
You can't. You don't know where. You can't leave. He said, no, you can't leave.
Hey.
What are you doing? You could have had pieces.
No.
Go have those two. You can have those two. I found the key. I found the keys. No! The door slammed on me.
My bed, all the bed is to myself.
Me.
No, me.
Amor.
We got a bathroom in here.
I know. How are we supposed to go to the bathroom? Oh, take a shower.
We gonna pee outside.
We can't. Because we're in an airplane.
All we can have to pee on the floor.
No.
Where is the bathroom?
Not in here. They don't have a bathroom in here.
Oh my god.
Amor, and when it say I'm sleeping on the floor. Amor, he's stupid. He said I'm sleeping on the floor tonight.
What? I'm having the whole bed to myself. I'm having the.
Okay, this is gonna be. Amor, can you stop trying to do it? I can't sleep either. Amor, you need to stop it, or you're gonna die. Hurry up! Oh. Guys, Amor, the curtain's moving. Oh my god, I'm scared. It's the monster. Run! It's the monster. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm scared. That's creepy. Just a person. He said, "Did you forget about me so early? I thought we was friends." No! I thought we was friends. I helped you. I helped him, right, Amor? The last time.
Yeah. Hurry, more, hurry.
I helped him the last time. That's how he's going to repay me? He petty. Come on, Amor. Run through all the doors. You coming? Or you behind me? Okay. Run in here. Up here, Amor.
I don't know how to parkour.
Because you on this mode. Yes. Oh, this is getting so creepy. I'm scared.
I'm gonna stay up here for my whole life.
He better go get that. Oh my god, that was so scary. Are we safe now? No, don't get down.
Oh, that was me talking.
I know. No! No! Goodbye, Amor.
Mommy!
See you in the afterlife.
Mommy!
See you in the afterlife. Oh, we didn't die. Are we in heaven? Oh, I don't got no wings. We're not in heaven. Wait, aren't those things supposed to be burnt? These things?
Yeah. I don't know why they're not burnt. Where did y'all go?
How he get to hold it?
I'm gonna call somebody. Give me the
He's
phone.
holding it. You mean? She said, "Hey guys, I'm glad you picked up." Duh, why wouldn't we? We was about to die. Amor's the one who don't know how to parkour.
I found a light switch.
That's not a light switch. That's a no.
What do you say there?
They say do.
Do. Like duty?
No, do.
Oh.
Like you do something.
We gotta find that key.
They said the problem is the door lock. Give me a moment to try to unlock it. I'm scared he might come for us.
Yeah. So I'm standing up here.
Well, you have to run away. He is still around. I know it. Because he wouldn't just leave us in here. He wants us to die, but I helped him, and that's how he's going to repay me? That's how he's going to repay me, Amor? When I helped him crash the plane. Amor, don't let him catch you. Okay, Amor? You better keep him on running. Keep on running. Keep on running. Oh, he's right there. Help me! Oh, my Run, Amor! He coming for me! He behind me! Help me, he behind me. He behind me. He behind me. Oh, he came for him. Oh, you, I think. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my freaking God. He was so scared.
I'm still one.
Amor, hurry up. We have to get in the door by there. Where the monster came from. Oh, we teleported. Okay, look what I'm about to do, Amor.
Look what I'm about to do.
Hi, you stupid. Yeah, no. I thought we killed them.
You made us die, Marco.
No, I didn't. Oh, 'cause I crashed the plane that time?
Yes. I don't know why you did that. You hear me? You did it. What did you just say?
I said she not moving it.
Everybody, come here.
Why is her hands?
What did he say?
It's not her. It's her. She is probably the monster. He was always a self-swim plane. It was in a scary way. He liked to read news about plane crashes. Like, who would like to do that? So he tried to make a plane crash himself.
I'm gonna get the gun and shoot him.
Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. His spirit still chases people like you guys because he blames you for his death. What? I helped you on the last plane. What? I helped you on the last plane. He can take he could be any agent or the president, but I'm not sure. So you're not sure? You're an agent? Where's the gun?
I got it.
No, you don't.
I got it. I know it. I see it.
I see the gun. I want to have the gun. You're about to die.
I'm gonna shoot the president or the agent.
Who took it? Oh! Shoot the agent. You got the gun.
I got the gun.
Go kill.
Okay, I'm gonna shoot the president.
No, not the president. The agent, because the last time I killed the agent. And he died.
Okay, which one's the Asian?
This boy with the black. Okay. It's over. We'll discover you, monster. Wait! Put the gun down. What are you doing? We know about the plane to kill us. We know one of you is the monster. You are making a huge mistake. Right there.
Okay.
We not monsters. Did Amor tell you when y'all two was monsters? Yes, him. Ooh, the shoot.
Shoot it. I did it.
You did it.
I shot it.
I know. He was the monster! Ah! What is that?
It was the monster.
It's the monster. Mr. President. It was been haunting us since the first trip. But I crashed the plane and he survived, so that's why he probably here.
Thank you, I shoot it, Tim.
Take advantage of this trip. This is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. I don't know if you killed the president. It would have been bad. Congratulations, passengers. You have saved the day once again. We saved the day, Amor. That was so scary. Let's go home. You monster. At least it's finally gone now.
Thank you, I killed him.
Finally gone. Am I
Thank
a
you, I got
monster?
a badge. I got a badge.
That's not fair. You got a badge because you shot him.
Yes, I got a badge. A badge. A badge. Okay, guys, we're going to stop the video right here. So,
Bye-bye.
bye, guys.